What is good, everybody? You know what it is. It's your boy. Today, got a little something special. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple of orders from over at myfitteds. One of them in particular, I had to wait for that to get in. We've all heard the horror stories, man. We know what's going on with the mail. The mail is... God damn it. Excuse the fire alarm, man. All of a sudden, the thing wanted to start ringing off. I think it started like last night. Yeah, it's a thing and it's irritating. I don't know if you've had that happen before, but the chirping is constant and is, you know what? Yeah. Anyway, like I said, we all heard the horror stories about the mail and everything, man. Everything is at a snail's pace right now. Everything is pretty much crawling unless you getting FedEx, UPS, something like that to speed up your order. But I wanted to wait on one particular package. As you see, we got 3 back here. I wanted to wait for one more to come in to do this whole thing, to bust all of them out. And it finally came in yesterday. So that being said, we're going to jump into myfitteds, man. You know what myfitteds, they've known for experimenting on the crazy end with the colors, the UVs, with not just the regular color UVs. They've done velvet unders, they've done paisley unders, striped plaid. They've done everything. So we're going to get these in hand. We're going to bust them out, see what they're looking like. And you're going to see what they're looking like with me. So stay tuned, man. It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. We got myfitteds in the building. We're going to get into it. Matter of fact, I'm going to put y'all on this intro. I'm going to try to handle this smoke detector, man. So stay tuned. Yeah, really. Like I said, we back. Took care of that problem. But we're going to jump into the first one. I wasn't about to sit through the whole video. I've done videos like that when that thing keeps chirping off. And yeah, I can't. Not today. Not today. But anyway, we're going to get into it. This first package, I think this should be a single. I think all of them should be singles if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, man, myfitteds been coming through with the crazy colorways and the crazy combos. They haven't been disappointing lately. So hopefully this will be one of them. Oh. And we right into the fire with this one, man. This one was really anticipated because from what I understand, these can't be made anymore because New Era is not using that fabric, I guess. I don't know if it's a thing with embroidering or just using it on a fitted or just the material alone. But if you didn't grab it, I just wanted one out of the collection. Just wanted one. That's the one that looked the best to me personally. I think they dropped about 4 in this whole collection. And if you didn't at least get one, you missed out because I don't even think they're doing the unders anymore with this material. I think they're just cutting it all off. And this is the, I want to get you to connect, you know, St. Louis Cardinals 1967 World Series Velvet Edition. I'm going to just hold this here for a minute. I'm going to just hold this here and let y'all look at it. Whole hat, crushed velvet. Now, not too many times you can say, I thought they hit it out the park with the velvet unders. I was feeling them. You know what I'm saying? They did it the right way. The colors hit with the hat. Loved it. Got me a couple in the collection. I'm glad I did. Now knowing that they're not going to be using them anymore. The whole hat though, man. Now, just looking at it, it's not without a couple of flaws already. Now, let me get into why I picked this one. I picked this one because it had the simple olive under. The other ones had like a couple of like the tree leaf looking under. The other one had the star under. All good unders if that's what you into. Me personally, I just wanted something plain. Don't see myself really wearing this out unless I'm really trying to stunt like that. Just keep it all the way 100. If I'm really trying to just step out and be super extra. Other than that, once I found out that these were not going to be dropping again, that's why I went ahead and grabbed them. I definitely wanted to have at least one of these in the collection. But now, like I said, there are some downfalls to this. Me personally, as you see, you definitely don't want to wear this in the wintertime or if you're a heavy sweater because this material will run. And I'm going to show you why. If you look on that side patch right there, the velvet color is already starting to run in the patch because it's not even holding this white color. So like I said, maybe that's why they decided because they knew it couldn't hold good with colors or, you know, putting extra things on the hat. That is the one flaw I see. Now, don't get me wrong. It's a beautiful hat. You know what I mean? I mean, they really tried to step out with this one. But like I said, sometimes, you know, the idea is sometimes better than bringing it to fruition, because it did work, but it's just the material. It wasn't them. It wasn't the creators. It's just the material. This is just what the material does. You already know you can't wear this in the winter. Like if it rains, the hat would be ruined. I don't care how much protector you put on it. Hat would be ruined. The colors would, yeah, all of the white guts. You know what I'm saying? Let's just go there with the white guts. The color would just tear that apart. You know, I don't care how much protect. I don't even have nothing that can save this. You know what I'm saying? If you're a heavy sweater, like when people always hit me about, you know, how can I keep it clean on? Stay away from this hat. Like I said, now the collection sold out. Me personally, again, you know how I do. I'm going to keep it a buck. Like I said, unless I'm stunting in a crazy way, this is probably just going to sit. I'm going to probably wrap this up, airtight, seal it, and just let it sit and just be glad I have one in the collection. Will I wear this? Not likely. Just be totally honest, not likely. And like I said, it has the indented Batman, and you can see the colors already ran on that right there. You see that Cardinals logo, the white is not holding. And like I said, it's not that they didn't try, it's just the material. So who knows if that's the reason why they stopped using that material. But I mean, that's just velvet. Anybody in the game, you know what I'm saying, you know that's just velvet. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing you can do about that. So that's gonna be what it is, you feel me? So we're going to hop into the next one. But definitely, I will give them an A for effort and a hell of an idea. Because you probably, well, you're not. I won't say probably. You're not going to see that again. Hell of an idea, in my opinion. Like I said, just a shame. Like I said, that kind of material, you know, it's going to run. Like I said, it's just really nothing you can do about that. But still a hell of an idea and a hell of a thing. It's still a beautiful looking piece, man, to have in the collection. Even with the color fading and the color running, like just the whole hat crushed velvet, that was a hell of an idea. Hell of an idea. So I definitely give them an A+ for that. You know what I'm saying? Now, we into the next one. This one here was one of the more subtle releases. This one actually sat for a while. It was actually the last size. Wasn't really feeling too much out of that drop that had dropped out. So, but this was the last size 8. And, you know, hey, everybody's had that thing when you come back and look at something like, come back and look at it. It's like, oh, okay, it's cool. You come back and look at it. Okay, I can work with that colorway. And it's just sitting with the last one. And you already know, like I told you, you hit the button. You know what I'm saying? This was one of those pickups. This is the Arizona Diamondbacks 1998 inaugural road jersey, season road jersey. I guess, like I said, I'm not a big baseball dude, but I guess they had an alternate road jersey that they wore. And, man, hell of a nice for a two-tone. A lot of people don't like two-tone hats. Me, I love them. And when I mean two-tone, I mean more of a block two-tone, when it's more so of the front and the back being different colors, not the two-tone as far as the bill. Now, this one here, 2 reasons. Got it because I love the colorway as far as the two-tones, how the front and back is different. And everybody already know this side patch is always top 5 side patch for me. So that part, once I seen that, once I scrolled through it and got a good look at the close-up of the side patch and everything, last size sitting, this was one of those, you know what, why not? I can definitely make this work. Another thing that had me kind of with it when I seen it is the purple under, which kind of goes with the whole colorway of the hat. You know what I mean? This is one of those where like the colorway is subtle. It doesn't too much, but everything goes and it clicks. See, like when you hold it at that angle, you got that side patch, you got the under, and you got everything, just, it works. You know what I'm saying? And like I told you, you never want to do too much. You always want to put everything on there to where you know it works. You know what I'm saying? And this works, being a two-tone. Love everything about the Arizona Diamondbacks as far as some of their side patches they have out. Their logo is dope. To me, they have some of the most dope alternate logos. For me being, I want to say, they're not a new team, but of course, you know, not with a team that has as much deep history as, like, say, like a Yankees or a Dodgers, or, you know, a team that's been out and been around. I think they came, hit me in the comments. I want to say they came sometime in the 90s, I want to say. But for them not to have that much deep-rooted history, I think they have some of the best logos out there. Probably, I won't say the best. To me, that would go to Chicago, the White Sox, personally. Their logos, I think all of their alternate logos are some of the dopest out there and the most intuitive as far as difference, you know what I mean? So, me, like I said, logo, hell of a dope side patch. The two-tone colorway, the purple under, just works for me, man. Like I said, and yeah, they got the white guts. And I'm telling you, mark my words, man, how I used to tell everybody, hey, don't be afraid of the white guts, man. Just get you some good protector and some good cleaner. Like I told you guys, man, hey, as you see, A lot of places are starting to drop these white guts, man. That's the hot thing right now. Get you a protector, whether it be a Crep Protect, a Hat Club, any kind of protector, man, because all this heat that's been dropping lately, and like I said, we still technically in summer. I mean, not summer, we're technically in winter. Summer's going to be rolling in. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have a lot of these dope colorways, a lot of these dope hats with these white guts on them. And you're going to be afraid to wear them or you're going to put them up. You know what I'm saying? Not me. If the colorway of the hat with some white guts coincide with going into a summer colorway, oh yeah, it's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, man, be up on y'all game, invest in some protectors. Hey, man, like I said, everybody doing something different right now. And having them white unders, that's being different. So, just that little, public service announcement, you know what I'm saying? Because I know a lot of people probably passing up, and I know I see a lot of people on social media talking about, hey, does this hat have, black gut, white guts, you know what I'm saying? Don't let that deter you, man, because there's way too many nice drops out here to be worried about what kind of under they have, man. And last but not least, this is the one I've been waiting for. At first, I wasn't too sure about this one, but I saw it making the rounds on social media, and it looked good in hand. Not physically in hand, but just seeing the pictures, had to pull the trigger on it, you know what I'm saying? And this one here is going to be the Atlanta Braves 2000 All-Star Game Peach Blossom. Jesus, man. Like I said, hey, shout out to myfitteds, man. They really come into play, you know what I'm saying? This thing right here, this is almost one of those kind of like the velvet. I would say I don't want to wear because it's clean, but trust me, immediately after this video, this one is going to get some protector on it just because of like the off peach color that they went with on here. Jesus, man, that side patch is beautiful. Hit me in the comments, man. I always ask y'all, man, what y'all think. This one might break the top 10, man. I'm loving the colorway on this one. It almost gives off kind of like a Miami colorway, you know what I mean? Like, a lot of people come out with Miami shoe colorways. They usually have this kind of, I don't know, I want to say, is it like a blue, like a teal? I want to say like a teal on it. If y'all can see that color in there. Kind of like has a teal. And then it battered, man, with the teal on there. And what I tell y'all, man, y'all see the guts, man. Look at that undervisor right there. This right here, it's hard to tell because just with that under, you want to say it's a good summertime wear. But it's like, man, I definitely wouldn't want to wear it wintertime just because, you know what I mean? Just, the hat alone, and not because of the sweatband, just the hat colors alone. Like I said, I always check the weather before I go anywhere anyway, just in case there might be a potential of my hat to get rained on. So I either won't wear a hat or I'll wear a hat from that, that bottom tier that can go ahead and get hit up on there if it could, you know what I'm saying? Not going to damage none of the top tier, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get that. Everybody got that lower echelon of they fitteds that they wear just anytime, just whenever, you know what I'm saying? Everybody has them, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, this one here, dope colorway. They experiment, man. They hit this one out of the park, had to have it. That under is dope, you know what I mean? Definitely, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to say this was probably a summer cap. Definitely will say it's a summer cap. I like how the front logo is not that distinguished. Is one of those inner, you know what I mean, inner type logos, kind of like how you got the indented Batterman. It's kind of like an indented logo on the front, kind of like that. Gives it more of a subtle look. And you see right here, the New Era is kind of like a peach color. I like that, you know what I'm saying? Because the hat is more like an off-tonal color, but the actual New Era flag is kind of like a peach color. So I definitely like that, man. This whole hat, this is a beautiful hat, man. They put this thing together nice, you know what I'm saying? Loving this undervisor, loving the colorway. This side patch, let me know what you think. I'm thinking it breaks the top 10. Definitely breaks the top. And when I say top 10 side patch, I'm talking about the whole distinctive patch. The colors on it, how it looks, how it comes off, how it comes with the hat. That's how I judge a side patch. They got colors, how it looks on that particular hat with the colors. That's how I judge it in my top 10 of side patches. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think down below, man. I might have to definitely put this one in the top 10. So like I said, you got your Atlanta Braves, Peach Blossom. Yeah, definitely hit this one out the ballpark, man. That's all I got for y'all. 3 pickups from myfitteds. 3 that they hit out of the park. I mean, you got your, now I can say once in a lifetime, going with the recap. Got your velvet, all crushed velvet St. Louis Cardinals. Never gonna see this again. Let me know if you was able to get your hands on one, because like I said, they are not using this material at New Era anymore, so you will not see this anymore after that release. I think they just took that material off the shelf after the New Year, so you won't see these anywhere else now. Got your Arizona Diamondbacks two-tone color with the block front colorway on it. Loving that side patch, can't never go wrong with that. Then you got your Atlanta Braves Peach Blossom, man. Hell of a colorway, hell of an undervisor, hell of a side patch. Can't beat that. Let me know down below what you think of the pickups, man. It's your boy. I'm going to get up out of here. This will probably be going up. It is Saturday. I will probably be throwing this up Sunday morning. So hopefully it gets to y'all by then. I got to go out and make a couple of runs, as you see. And it's cold as hell right now in Cali. So I'm going to holler at y'all on the next video, because like I said, you already know what it is, man. It's always the next video. Until then, I'm going to get at y'all. It's your boy. I'm going to jump up out of here. I'm going to see y'all in them comments, man. Like, share, all of that. You know what you do, man. Your boy going to rock with y'all because y'all rock with me. So I'm going to get y'all in them comments, man. I'm up out of here. It's your boy. Till the next one.